Hi, I am Shomadip. I am in a mission to stay fit and divided my objective in two parts. I am currently doing objective 1, that means 10 km for 10 days. This is a plan that will make me fit and make me more healthy. Join me in my quest. Share and subscribe if you want to be the part of this mission.
Hi, good morning. I am back on 28th. So I started walking today. I gave a full rest to my body yesterday because my muscle need to be healed. So I am doing my objective 1, completing 10 kilometers. Today is the third day. Catch you back. I started early today at around 6:30 a.m. so that I can complete my workout before 9 a.m. So it is supposed to be completed by 8:30 a.m. today. And while I started my workout, it's during the festive time, and I have I have no office at that time. But now things has changed, and now I have to go for a work also. So what I have to do is to invest in my health. To do the exercise, I need to do it in the early morning. It's around 6:30 to 8:30 would be great one. You have to complete this exercise, and the investment that I am doing for my health need to be completed by 8:30, because after that we will be at work and we will not able to cope both of this. I am at my halfway destination, so in the river bed, and I have completed 5 kilometers. And so if you see, I have done an improvement from the last workout. I have again started at 6:30, and now it is and 7:47. Since while I started my video, while I started my exercise in the last 2 days, so I have started my exercise at 7:30 itself. So I have in the halfway today, and I've already completed the halfway, and it is 7:45. So there is an improvement on this, because managing time is very important. And while I started, it was a festive time, but now I have to balance the work and life. And in the corporate world, we are very common phase. Balancing this work-life balance is very important. So giving time to health is not a part of work-life balance. Giving time to health is what is mandatory, like drinking water, having food. I think so. But of course, I also neglected that, and that is why I'm unfit. So I've got a query from few of my friends while blogging. They have appreciated my blog, and they also commented how to do this work-life balance, how to invest in the health. So I will always say that yes, there is a challenge in that, and that is why I am unfit. I was the fittest person, and now I am the most unfit person, because that there was a challenge, and I have not able to overcome that challenge. But now this is again a rebound to the situation, and hopefully I can get through it. So Not to mention, this is my third day of vlogging, and I have got a good appreciation from my close friends and families. So good one. I have got some. I've got some tips also to improve my blog. I will look into it. I will look into it. Use them as when needed. Now get back to my house at the right time so that I can start my working mode also. See you then. Hi. Hello. So I am at the end of my today's objective. What is today's objective? Today's objective was 10 kilometers walking, and today is 28th of October, and what the goal I have set. What goal I have set? The goal I have set is to complete 10 kilometers to 12 kilometers for 10 days. So today is our third day, and 7 more days to go before running. Today is 28th October, and I will brief about today's workout and overall while I reach home. Hi, I want to brief about today's session. Today is 28th October, and I have completed my 12 kilometers walking exercise, and it took me around 2 hours 15 minutes, and I have spent around 1200 calories today also. So I took a break yesterday because I was feeling pain in my hamstring, and so I thought to take a rest. So, so, so this is the third day I'm blogging, and this is the objective based workout. So I have taken an objective of 10 days walk. So if you see balancing the work and health is very important. So today I have reached here at 9 a.m. So reaching at home 9 a.m. will not do in future. So I have to again I have to modify it. So what is the modification I want to do? Modification is I want to go out at 6 a.m. and want to return at around 8 a.m. So I have to complete all the work before 8:30 so that I can concentrate on my daily job after that. So this is what I am aiming for. I have improved a lot. I have improved in sense of my consistency, and I have improved in if you say about the timing, getting up early. I started at 7:30. Now I started at 6:30. So 1 hour I've improved. I need to improve another 30 minutes so that I can just go out at 6 a.m. and I can just return at 8, and after completing all these things I can concentrate on the daily work. So it's very important to be consistent and to be time oriented uh, work. I want everyone to concentrate on two things. One is you have to invest in the health, and another you have to again balance your work and family life also. So you have to manage that way. So how you manage, I am showing you the path. You can also follow that, or you can have your own path also. So this is the third day activity. 7 days more to go for before I start running. So it would be a great excitement when I start running. I'm waiting for that. Let's see. Connect you tomorrow again.
Hi, I am Shomadip. I am in a mission to stay fit and divided my objective in two parts. I am currently doing objective 1, that means 10 km for 10 days. This is a plan that will make me fit and make me more healthy. Join me in my quest. share and subscribe if you want to be the part of this mission.